The landscape lighting has really changed how we spend our time outside at night. It just allows us to be out later at night. We love entertaining, we have a great patio, but once it gets dark, then it's like, it's dark, let's go inside.
Oh, lighting helps tremendously because it does accentuate the money you did put and the vision you put into your landscaping. It brings that to the forefront. And we've had several people walk by at night when we're out front going, oh my God, that looks fantastic.
The installation of the lighting went very smoothly. Designscapes Colorado came out and helped us plan where we wanted the lighting to be. They were able to dig up the trenches, put in all the lighting, and when they were gone after a few days, it looked like they had never been here, except that our lights looked beautiful.
Just the way that Josh worked with me on the plan and what's going on. There was no pressure of, hey, boy, let's put in 50 lights. He actually designed it to the way where he had lights in, wanted me to see what I thought about it, and then give me the option to add. I decided to add, and I like the fact that people are going to undersell that rather than oversell it and try to put all these lights in. So from that standpoint, it really made the whole process comfortable, easy, and actually enjoyable to say, man, we're working on this together, but his expertise and where to put it and how to accentuate the trees in the back and everything, just very smooth, very nice.
I would highly recommend Designscapes Colorado to anybody because I've been very happy with their professionalism, their timeliness, their responsiveness. They just keep on top of things really well.
I'd recommend Designscapes to anybody, not only the landscaping, but also the lighting. It wasn't like, hey, boy, the landscaping was fantastic, and then these lighting guys were okay, and I used them. I'd use the lighting guys separate from the landscaping if that's all I needed was lighting. Just what they do and the way they look at your property. I can't speak more highly about the process and how it went down.